Yeah, so I'm Kim. I'm the lead of the diagnostic path in ESVS. At the moment, the diagnostic path is mainly vascular imaging, but in the future it will also include other imaging modalities. Right now, the diagnostic path mainly consists of on-site courses that we run in Copenhagen, in Barcelona, and in Belgrade. And at the annual meeting, you will have a pre-taste of these hands-on courses. So also the diagnostic pathway is where you can take certification exam at the annual meeting.
And so, can you tell us a bit more about what's your favorite part of the annual meeting in Belfast?
The favorite part is, of course, the workshop at the diagnostic path. But also I would say the highlight is the possibility to take the CVVUS exam at the end of the mini workshop.
What else can we expect from the pathway this year?
In this year we already had the course in Copenhagen, we had the course in Barcelona, and we'll be present at the annual meeting, and then we still miss to have the advanced vascular ultrasound course in Copenhagen, which is already open for registration, and then we will have the second version of the course in Belgrade. So all the courses are run by vascular surgeons who uses ultrasound in a daily practice or have an academic degree on that. And in all the courses you'll have the chance and opportunity to scan a real patient with the actual vascular pathology that you meet in your everyday life.
So it's really a hands-on course,
it's
just
really,
to get the experience.
Yeah, so it's really a hands-on course. All the courses are more than 50% hands-on. So hope to see you on one of these 4 courses that we have on the diagnostic path, or otherwise meet us in Belfast at many of the workshops that we provide there, either the carotid, the fistula workshop, the venous workshop, or the AAA workshop, or the lower limb. Thank you.